Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
At first, we need a circle. Then run this fill color, pick up the stroke color and increase this stroke value. Now we need line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Again hold shift and draw another line. Now select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Again do same thing. That's why hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Select all and go to object expand. Okay. Now select this portion, all the circles and go to object path, offset path and increase this circle value. Preview it. Okay. Now select all and take shape builder tool and cut all unnecessary part. Now we change the color for more attractive. We can using gradient color. We use this color, select this point, eyedropper tool and pick up the color. We need gradient, little bit adjustment for more attractive.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.